Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Y'all are like the 10th sign that I've done today, and when I tell you, I don't see, it ain't no new people, okay? These are all past people. So if you don't want to hear about the past, go ahead and just close this out, because I'm telling you, like, new people, it's the past. So somebody you guys were dealing with before, this person did you wrong. Or it can go vice versa, y'all. Take it however it fits your situation. So, cross watchers, you could have been dealing with a Capricorn and they did you dirty. I feel like this person is making plans, like they want to rectify the situation. They definitely want a reconciliation with you. Yeah, they do want to be with you. And the thing is, they want to take a playful approach to win you back. But y'all don't trust it. For some of you guys, I feel like this person hasn't reached out just yet, but they're planning on it. If they have already, and they're hitting you up, you're kind of like, what do you want? You know, y'all are just basically done, from what I'm seeing here. So, yeah, let's dive in. Let's see what's going on. I'm just going on my shuffling. Like, come on. All right, let's see. Alright, bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Or I feel like you guys are just moving away from a situation. Because you don't see a new opportunity with this individual from your past that's trying to come back. This could be a situation to where the person from the past wants to move forward with you. But they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because they messed up. See? They want to give you an offer, but they feel like you're just not going to take it. They feel like they don't deserve you. So, at this point, they're planning. I told you, this person is trying to come back if they haven't come back already. And they're moving slow to do it. They're taking it day by day. But see, when you guys look at this person, you feel like they're sneaky as hell. And you're like, I don't want to deal with you at all. See? You don't want a new beginning with this person. You don't trust this person at all. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio. But this person, whoever messed up, they definitely want a victory with you. So I feel like this person is not giving up so easily, guys. Alright, so let's see. Somebody made a decision. Tell me more. This is you. You guys made a decision about this person. I'm telling you, y'all don't trust them. You feel like they're very childish, they're immature, they're sneaky, and you're over it. You know, at one point, this person hurt you so bad. You guys were emotional. You were sad. Now it's just you've been working on yourself. You're healing. You're moving on. You're not worried about them. But see, I'm telling you, this person, they're not letting you go, Capricorn. They're holding on. This person definitely wants to turn things around. They want to work things out. They want things to improve with you. But see, the thing is, even though they're going to speak their truth and they're telling you this, you guys still don't trust it. It's like when you guys gave them a chance in the past, or however long you've been with this person, you feel played, you know, because this person had other options, or there's just other things that they put before you, other people. It's just, y'all, no, you're like, I'm not dealing with it. Tell me more. See? You feel like this person was stubborn, and you want stability in your relationships, and who wouldn't? I mean, somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but at the end of the day, I'm telling you, you're not looking back at the past. You don't want to deal with this person. But see, they're rushing in. They're going to rush back in because they do not want you to leave them alone. I feel like somebody's communication is a little harsh here, whether it's you or this other person. It might be yours. It might be yours. But yeah, it's like you don't have hope that things are going to work out. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But like I'm telling y'all, I just feel like you guys are just focusing on yourselves. You're healing. You're worried about your own stability. You could be dealing with an earth sign, another Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Tell me more. See? I told you. Y'all, you're not worried about this person. This person, they messed up. You're walking away because you thought the situation was toxic. Capricorn, you could be dealing with another Capricorn, but regardless to whoever it is, you're not dealing with it. Was that the... We ain't going there. Alright, let's keep going. But yeah, you're walking away. But this person, they feel like everything that you guys had, I should say, they're not letting it go. You see, this person is holding on tight, Capricorn. They definitely are coming back, give you an offer, but it's a small offer, and it's like, let me see. Y'all are focused. I'm telling you, y'all ain't worried about it. Y'all are just focusing on yourselves. See, you don't see yourself having a family with this person. You don't see yourself marrying this person. But at the same time, I feel like the way the Ten of Wands just came out, that back and forth, this is whoever messed up. Because they want to give you an offer, but they just feel like you're not going to take it. And so it's like they want to rush in to tell you what it is that they want, how they're feeling, but then at the same time, they hold back. And it's like there's no communication, or communication isn't coming in right, because they were being deceptive in the past. So somebody's made a decision. See? I'm telling you, this person, they want to be with you, but they're not saying anything. There's a tower, so something came crashing down. Clarify this tower, please. The Queen of Wands. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Clarify the Queen of Wands. What's going on? Somebody's removing themselves out of a third-party situation. There was no balance. So for some of you guys, this could be your energy where maybe you felt like this person that you were dealing with in the past, they were entertaining other people, whether it's family, friends, another man, woman, whatever. And you're like, you know what, I'm done. I'm not dealing with this anymore. And you removed yourself out of that because there was just no balance. For others of you, it could be a situation to where this person was definitely entertaining other people, and they had to remove themselves out of a situation in order to make things right with you. But see, they just feel like there's just no balance regardless here. And see, this person is sad because they messed up. They know that they messed up this relationship. You were the best thing that happened to them since sliced bread, okay? And so, yeah, could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, at one point, they were moving really slow. And now they're wanting to pick up the pace to come back towards you. But they just don't have the strength to do it right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. See what I'm saying? Like, this person is scared that things may not improve with you. But I definitely feel like if there was a third-party situation going on, they are leaving that situation. They're dropping it. They're using their intuition. For some of you guys, like I told you a few minutes ago or a minute ago, whatever, you walked away because this person kept putting you in a third-party situation, and you're using your intuition, and you're dropping it. You're no longer entertaining this person. See? Somebody's single. This is you removing yourself from the situation. You're free, you're happy, you're moving forward. But I have to say, on the flip side, this could be this other individual removing themselves out of that situation in order to start something new with you because they want to have a peace of mind with you. Tell me more. But somebody is not taking a leap. Could be dealing with a Cancer. But somebody, whoever messed up, they want to move forward, Capricorn. They definitely want to move forward with you. But they're scared. I feel like there is fear here. Because, yeah, they were being secretive in the past. Clarify the moon. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. But see, this person, I felt like they were just really in their head. They felt confused. They didn't know what to do. They're coming out of that energy. And see, but they keep thinking about what they did to you in the past. And this is why they can't sleep. They're frustrated right now. Because they want a future with you. See? They want to start over with you. They want to build something new with you. Look at that. I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. They learned their lesson. So now they're trying to come back. Could be dealing with a Virgo. But this person has been reflecting on everything that they put you through. All of their actions, past mistakes. This was a lesson. See, now I'm telling, look at that. They're coming back to give you an offer, Capricorn. And they're trying to remain positive. See, look, this person knows what he or she wants. And they're coming back. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Here's a Sagittarius. But this person knows that it's going to be difficult because you're not going to just take them back because they put you through the most. See, they're back and forth. It's like, if there was a third party, I'm not going to say if, there was some type of third party situation going on, and I feel like this person is ending it, but at the end of the day, they want things to improve with you, but they're scared it may not. Tell me more. They definitely don't want you to walk away from them at all. Okay, so somebody is confident in something. Tell me more. The truth. So the truth is coming out. The truth is coming out about something. Maybe somebody had to get out of a legal situation, but could have been dealing with a Libra. But there's just no balance here. This is how you guys are looking at them. Because see, yeah, this person wants stability with you. This person wants to be with you. They want to marry you. But there is somebody that has been standing in the way. And they were falling into temptation or just listening to other people. And this is what caused a lot of the mess here. Because see, now your guard is up. Your guard is definitely up. Even though you want to hear them out, you're tired. This person is going to come back and give you an offer. And it is a stable offer. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, this person is keeping quiet about this offer. Because I feel like they have to remove themselves out of something. They have to get out of something. See, this person isn't happy. Because look, I'm telling you, they're coming back to give you an offer. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me about this Queen of Cups. This person is like not trying to argue with you anymore. They know they hurt you. This person wants to be with you. You could be dealing with a Taurus. This person definitely wants to be with you. They see themselves marrying you. But they're scared you don't want a new beginning with them. They're trying to clear away obstacles. For some of them, they were in a commitment, some type of relationship where they were committed to somebody else, family, friends, and they know that they have to cut this person off if they want this with you. See, with the Empress reversed, they're scared they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and they're frustrated about it. So they made a decision. Tell me more. Yeah. This person left you out in the cold. They're hoping that you can forgive them, but the way the Four of Swords came out, it's like they're worried you're not going to take them back. But at the same time, they're trying their best to think positive about it, but they're like, I don't know. See? This is like a family situation. Like, they want their happy home with you, but see, there was no balance with them. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Judgment. Somebody needs to make a decision. See? Somebody feels like they got stabbed in the back, and this is why they're not putting in the work. Yeah, so whoever messed up, they know they messed up bad. They hurt you something bad. And you guys are just over it. And this is why you don't want to put in the work with this person anymore. And I feel like this is why this person is hesitating to put in the work with you. But they're coming back. So, oh, Capricorn, leave me some comments. Leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys. All right, Capricorn. Again, I hope you enjoyed your reading. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.